Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys see, I have my new style vlogs. But anyway, so we're gonna get into my nighttime DIY pamper routine. First thing first, we're gonna brush my teeth. I haven't shown y'all brushing my teeth in a while because honestly, a lot of times when I'm about to do my self-care, I already have brushed my teeth. But today I didn't yet. Anyway, I just started loving this brand Nanda. If you have not seen it on TikTok, I don't know where you've been at, but they have been going all over, so I've been using them. Simply because people have been raving about them, and they're supposed to be a natural brand from what I heard. So I just started using their picks. Anyway, so I bought their mouthwash. I got that from TikTok though. But then I found out they were on Amazon, so people were going crazy on TikTok for no reason because they're selling their products on Amazon. But anywho, now I'm using the mouthwash. Now you have to dilute their mouthwash. It's not just like a regular mouthwash. You add the droppers like I did, and then you add the water. FYI, if you're ever interested in trying it, just to know there's one little extra step to use it. Now I'm putting in my Invisalign back in. As you guys can see, my gap is starting to be almost closed. I'm excited, and I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that in March we are done and we move on to retainers. Anyway, so let's get into the shower routine. We're gonna go ahead and wash the face, and this is, so I'm still using it from TikTok shop. I actually just bought 2 more because I was like, let me just go ahead and buy it now. This is the turmeric and kojic acid I think I already have. I like it. It hasn't broken me out. It's kept my skin pretty clear for the most part, so I'm still excited. Now, I didn't want to show my whole routine, and I feel like I filmed more, but I must have chopped it out, and I don't want to bore you guys, but I did my regular shower routine, and then I ended up shaving my arms, and yeah, that was it. So, sorry, I don't know what happens to the rest of the footage. Anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of my skincare. I'm using my Garnier micellar water to clean my face. And initially I was gonna do a face mask, but then I totally forgot, and I ended up picking up my serum. So I was like, well, I already put my serum, so that's that. And then yeah. Alright, so now I'm applying this lip gloss from Bath & Body Works. I like it because it's like minty, but it's also like super glossy. It's really cute. I love it. Oh, and then I skipped through it, but the last product that I used was the green goo. I like it. Oh, I'm showing it now. My mom actually gave it to me. Y'all don't need to be too close to me, but I got a cut there, and then I got a cut in my arm, so I'm using that to help heal it. And then lastly, I went in with my body butter by Jazz and E, which is a Black-owned business. So yeah, because my skin been dried in the Sahara Desert this winter, and it's driving me crazy. So this is actually the next day. I did my self-care in 2 parts because I didn't want to stress myself with doing everything in one night. But before I continue, part of my pamper routine was to read my Bible and read my devotional. And I didn't show you guys the whole thing, but set up my devotional, and then I went ahead with my Bible. Now this is later in the day, and I'm going ahead and do my toes. So it's due time for me to do my toes. Now I spent so much time on my big toe because it was annoying me, because I remembered too, the person put a lot of coats, but also I think because the glitter, it made it a little bit worse. So it was taking me forever to get it off my big toe specifically, but I initially got it. All my other toes, it was fine, but my big toe was like, every time I feel like I drilled off the nail polish, it kept coming back. Now I will link all my stuff, but I'll tell you right now, it's gonna be all affiliate links. But a lot of my stuff I got, well, at least majority of my nail stuff is all from Amazon, with the exception with a few stuff, like some of my nail polishes that are from like Temu, and then some are from Amazon. But everything else, a lot of them is from Amazon. like the table that I'm using right now, which has been a game changer because now I'm not breaking my back to try to reach my foot. Now at least my foot can stand on the stool, table, whatever you would like to call it. Alright, so I'm trying to show you this is the Dr. Bronner's. I just decided to use that as a soap because I just needed soap. I wanted to put soap in the water. My basin I got from Temu. Again, I will link whatever I can find if it's not sold out or out of stock. And now I'm just going ahead with my nail clipper and clipping down my nails. Nail file. I do use the nail filer and what do you call this? And the cuticle thing, I couldn't find my tweezers for whatever reason. I don't know what I did with them, so I didn't tweeze my toes. I was like, it is what it is, because I didn't know where they went. And I'm using my little nail foot scraper, I guess you'd call it. I don't know what the name is. I actually got this from, we call this Marshall's, so I don't even know what the brand is. I can't tell you. Now I'm just going with my foot scrub to scrub my feet. Now the thing with, I feel like a DIY thing, you can do whatever you want, however you want. There's no set thing. That's why it's DIY. You do it however you want. You know what I mean? And I'm just gonna use my Puma Stone to just give my foot a last scrub. Now I'm going with my Pedi Scrub sponge. I actually like this, so it has two sides of exfoliated and the cleansing side. Next I'm going with this. It's like a nail cleaner thing. I forgot what the exact name for it is, but these people used to clean their actual nails, like underneath their nails and like in between their toes. Now I'm just applying this foot lotion that I got from Marshall's in a set. So now I'm applying the base coat. Now this is a brand from Temu. It wasn't shown on the camera probably because the angle I was doing it from. If I did it the other way, you probably would have saw it. But anyway, I can link it down below if they're still on Temu. I do like the brand. I end up going over with another color because this one was too light and you could barely see it. So there's a color that was pretty much similar to it, but lighter. So I did go over with it, but I didn't want to bore you guys showing you guys painting my toenails, because I feel like this video did not need to be so long. It's self-explanatory. Apply a coat, put my foot into my UV gel lamp, and then take it out, reapply a different coat of something else. So I did my base coat, I did the color, and then I did like 2 to 3 coats of my color, and then I did the top coat, and that was it. And I do like this brand from Temu because I feel like not every gel brand is good. Some of them I've used and then it leaves like a gunky, sticky feeling, so I have to normally use some to take it off. So I like that this one, like, it dries. Once it dried neatly. There was no issues. That's why I like this brand. So this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.